Our strategies are designed to provide a very different answer to the active versus passive debate. A traditional active manager picks stocks through judgment and experience in order to try to beat an index, whereas passive investors track an index in order to capture all the upside, but passive investors also capture all the downside of a market too. An investor who bought and held the S&P 500 through the October 2007 peak to the 2009 trough would have experienced the full effects of the global financial crisis on the S&P. Well, we take a different approach. We actively manage passive index funds through a combination of portfolio design and quantitative research. We consider ourselves an active manager in that we offer dynamic exposure to market factors and risk management. But we do it through a quantitative, rules-based framework so that we eliminate the emotional drivers in decision-making that are part of traditional active management. With respect to passive, we're users but not practitioners of that approach. We're capturing the efficiency, diversification of indexing, but we use it within an active framework. We can also be selective about what rules the passive index funds follow. For example, instead of just using market-weighted exposure, we can use volatility-weighted funds in an effort to provide a smoother risk-return profile. Our quantitative framework has allowed us to advance the application of factor-based investing by refining the relationships between factors in a flexible way. Traditional factor relationships will always be important, but in isolation they may provide less and less of an explanation for market behavior. Markets are reshaped continuously and they evolve faster than ever. That's why a core principle of our quantitative framework is adaptive, multi-layered strategies. We rely on the ability to dynamically restate paradigms within our quantitative framework. Our strategies are data-driven, but the tail is not wagging the dog. The model is consuming data from the perspective that we provide through portfolio design. We've attempted to design our models not just to capture momentum as it occurs, but to align with the underlying market tendencies that drive investment outcomes. We've removed our own decision-making from the equation for a reason, so that investment signals are generated in a systematic, tested, and rules-based method without any emotions. Our system combines bottom-up machine learning data with top-down inputs from an experienced portfolio management team. What we offer is a synergy between portfolio design and quantitative research.